I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas around me.
What's up, guys? It's your girl KJ, and I am back with another entertaining video for y'all. Now today, I went to the Asian market, the Asian market, and I got 2 drinks and two different kind of snacks and one kind of popsicle style snack. All right, so that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna taste all these snacks and drinks and I'm gonna rate them 1 through 10, and let's go ahead and dive in. All right, y'all, so first things first, I got a new little mic on my jacket. So let me know if y'all can hear me good in the comments. If y'all can hear me good, give me a thumbs up so I'll know. And let's get right into it, shall we? So let's see, what am I holding in my hand? So I got some seaweed, and I know they use these for like sushi and stuff in the Asian culture. And I think I like seaweed as a snack. I've seen people eat seaweed as a snack. So we got some seaweed. And then our next snack, we have some mogino. Now, sorry if I pronounced these wrong, but these are cookies, and they have a coconut strawberry cookie, cocoa almond, green tea milk, and a peanut sesame cookie. So we're gonna try those. Sounds good. Now, for the popsicles, we have a soda flavored ice tube. So this is what it looks like. Looks very interesting. So I'm excited to try that. And as for the drinks, I tried this before, but not this flavor. This time I got grape, and this is a soda that you pop it in the top and then it turns it into the soda basically. So that's what that looks like. And then we have a 4 Seasons Tropics juice. So it says it has mango, pineapple, guava, and orange. And that sounds really, really, really good. So I'm going to give y'all a close-up on all the snacks because I know it's reversed in the camera right here. So come on. Let me give y'all a close-up. So now that we got our close-up, what do I want to start with first? I think I'm gonna do this last. So we're gonna set that right here to the side. I think I want to try the juices first. Let's go with the juices. So let's clear our table off. Set that right over here. Let's start with the juices first. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this just because I tasted it before and kind of know what to expect, but this is a new flavor, so let's see. So, oh, okay, so I believe you're supposed to do like this and just pop it in there. So let's go. Oh, did I do it? Oh no, so this pops it in here. Look at that. So now the ball went out. As you can see, the ball in the middle. And now, wow. Spilled some. So let's go ahead and taste it and I'll grab some napkins. Cheers. This is good. Y'all, that is good. Oh my goodness. Let me go grab some napkins. I feel like I should have had napkins in the first place, but I didn't. But now I do. Alright. So we got that cleaned up. Let's just set this trash there. Now we got napkins. Let's taste this one more time. This is the best. This is better than the first kind I tried. And I tried the peach kind first. But I also did put these in the freezer so I can get a little cold. Alright, so I'm gonna give this right here a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. It was that good. Alright, y'all. So let's go to this juice. And it says, shake well before enjoying. Refrigerate after opening. Okay. Serve chilled. I'm glad I put it in the freezer. Go ahead and shake this up. Shake it, 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 shake it. Alright. I believe that's good enough. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Go. It looks to be oranges, like a V8 type juice. Cheers. It is really good. This is good too. Now this is the Four Seasons juice that has pineapple, mango, orange, and guava. This, I give that a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. All right, let's go into the snacks. So I'm gonna taste the seaweed last because I kind of know how it tastes. I just haven't ate it in a while, but I'm gonna go with that last because it has such a distinctive taste, and I don't want that to throw any of my taste buds off with the others. So as I said, this is Mangino baked savory thin baked cookie. It comes with coconut strawberry, cocoa almond, green tea milk, and peanut sesame. All right, so let's dive open. All right, let's see how this opens. Okay. Oh, okay, it comes like this. I thought it was gonna come in like a tray. So let's get one of each flavor. Okay, we got the green tea milk, strawberry, coconut strawberry, cocoa almond, and peanut sesame. I'm gonna just set this right up here. Here. All right, so right here. And I'm just gonna, boom, coconut strawberries first. Ooh. There we go. Oh, it comes with 2 in each. Wow. So this is how it's looking. It kind of smells like I forgot what it's called, but it's like a childhood buttermilk butter cookie. Kind of a windmill cookie type. Yes, it's definitely giving a windmill cookie. I give that a 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. Alright. Green tea milk next. Oh, it's already broke up. But this is how it looks. That's how it's looking. I'm just gonna taste a small piece. I don't really taste anything. I don't really taste anything. But I give that a 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10. Cocoa almond. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I feel like this one's gonna be good. I'm not a real fan of peanut butter cookies and stuff like that, so we'll see about the peanut butter. Okay, this is the cocoa almond. Has little almond flakes on the top. This one is broke as well, so I'll just taste a little piece. Mmm. Mmm. It might be my favorite. It tastes like a dried brownie, basically. So I give that a 7 out of 10. And last but not least, we got the peanut sesame. I don't know about this one. I don't like peanut stuff like that. So I'm gonna give that a 3 out of 10. 3 out of 10. My overall rating of this cookie pack will probably be a solid 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. Alright, so let's put this to the side. Done with this. Next is the popsicle. I'm sorry, y'all. That is so good. Alright, so let's see how this looks because it looks so interesting. Oh wow. Like a little popsicle. Not a popsicle. A Kool-Aid drink juice. So this is what it looks like. And I guess you just twist it. Oh, here we go. Let's see if it's easy. Okay, it's not as easy as they say. Oh, yes it is. Alright. It smells good. Alright, let's see. Y'all, this is good. That's good. It's like a kind of like a creamy blue raspberry. Yeah, like creamy blue raspberry. That's good right there. That's good. See if we can get some from here. They're supposed to squeeze it because it has little Like fingerprints on the side. Put your hand on. Just, I guess not. Yeah, that is good. Extremely good. I give that a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Out of 10. All right, last but not least, we got seaweed. And I don't think this is any flavored anything. Yeah. Oh, it says seasoned seaweed. Okay, so it's, excuse me, seasoned. I don't know what with, but oh, corn oil, sesame oil, and salt. Okay. I know most people don't like seaweed, but it tastes pretty good to me. I love putting me some kale in the oven and making kale chips. So this is what the seaweed is looking like. Let me take one out. It's like a thin layer. So you can see my hand through it. It's really thin, but it's really crunchy. It's really good, so. It's really good and really healthy for you. I feel like with my microphone, I'm gonna be having ASMRs now. Comment down below if y'all like ASMRs. I might get into it. I don't know. Just as I expected. Good, good, good. Alright, so y'all. Alright guys, that wraps up the end of the video. I hope I recommended you some good snacks to your likings. I don't know, everyone's different, but these are the snacks I got. And overall, I rate my snack picks and my drink picks. I rated a solid 7 out of 10. Okay, 7.5. 7.5. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But if you want to see more things like this, me trying things, go ahead and recommend me some things in my comments or my social medias. You can message me. If y'all want to see more mukbangs or vlogs, tell me what y'all want to see and I'll deliver. Okay. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Make sure you leave a like if you liked the video and enjoyed it. Go ahead and subscribe so you can see when I post. Turn them post notification bells on so you can have it come straight to your phone the second I post, so you will not miss one video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope y'all come again.